In this video, I am going to show you how to register an account on Bybit. Step 1. Download the official Bybit app on the Google Play Store or Apple Store. Open the app once installed. On the home screen, tap on Assets located at the bottom right corner. Step 2. On the Assets page, look for the Sign Up button, typically located in the upper right corner, and tap on it to begin the process. 3. You can register using either your email address or mobile number. If you choose email address, enter your email address, create a password, and input a referral code if you have it, and then tap Continue to proceed. And if you're using mobile phone, tap on Mobile Registration, select your country code from the drop-down menu. Enter your mobile number, create a secure password, and input a referral code if you have one, and then tap on Continue to proceed. You can also sign up using Google or Apple account for a quicker registration process. 4. During the registration process, you might be asked if you are from a restricted country or region. If you are not, select No to continue the registration. 5. Complete the reCAPTCHA challenge to verify you're not a robot. Enter the verification code sent to you by email or mobile number as you choose. And then, once you've entered the verification code and completed any additional required steps, your Bybit account registration will be successfully created. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.